Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the series. This is Honest Food Review. Protein Pop. This is something I've been finding all over Aldi. They even have the Jalapeño Cheddar version, especially if you're going to the gym like me. An alternative, this would be great, especially when you go to the store nowadays. They sometimes have the high-end brands. They're quite expensive, especially long-term. Roughly around $2 to $3 each bag. Totally worth it. About 42 grams of protein per bag, 220 calories. Wow. It smells just like Cheetos. It smells just like it. It's actually really small. Actually, it's not as what I thought it was going to be in terms of size. It definitely doesn't have the same texture as puff in general. It's a little bit more grainy. It's a little bit more contained. It definitely, this one is really packed with flavor. The protein puff for the jalapeno cheddar. This one tastes amazing. It tastes like spicy Cheetos. I actually made the mistake. I should have never had the jalapeno cheddar first, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't taste a thing. So give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back and we're gonna give this an honest taste test.
A few years later.
It does not taste anything like cheese puff, so if you're expecting it to taste like cheese puff, this isn't it. This is not the snack for you. But if you want high protein for low affordability, this will be the snack for you. Eventually, over time, you will start to appreciate some of the finer things in life, like things just being a lot healthier and better for you overall than just Cheetos or cheese puff. You can also see here on the back of the bag, it also has an amino acid list and also what it doesn't contain. So actually, I'm really impressed with it. We'll be buying these again. If I had to rate it in terms of flavor scale, I would probably put it roughly around, for this one, about a 6 out of 10. And for the jalapeno cheddar, I would put this at roughly around 7.5. But overall, for the content in the item itself, this is a fantastic alternative for budget and budget friendly. So I would put this at 10 out of 10 for budget friendly and getting a great protein source.